Hi everybody, today we are going to start our unit on landmarks. What is a landmark? A landmark is an interesting or important place. Landmarks are visited by millions of people every year. Some landmarks serve a particular purpose, and others are simply just to honor a certain city, person, or time in history. The history of landmarks. Many years ago, before we had GPS or other technology like Siri, landmarks were a way for explorers and travelers to find their way to places. For example, years ago, travelers and settlers in Europe knew that when they reached Stonehenge, they were near Wiltshire, England. There are two types of landmarks. The first kind, it can be man-made. They are man-made buildings or objects that are important or historical in some way. This is a picture of the Statue of Liberty. It's a man-made landmark. The second type of landmark is a natural landmark. Landmarks can also be natural. They have geographical features that are recognizable and amazing to view. This is a picture of Niagara Falls. It's located in between Canada and the United States. Let's talk about your experience. Can you think of any landmarks that you have visited? What are some landmarks that you would like to visit in the future? Type your responses in the comments section. When I think about local landmarks, the first one that came to my mind was Lucy the elephant. Here's a picture of her. Has anybody ever seen her? It's a 6-story shaped elephant, and it was created in 1881 in Margate City, New Jersey. It's right by the beach. Today during your web quest, you're going to look into the Grand Canyon. It's located in the state of Arizona. It was named a national park in 1919, and it's a popular location for sightseeing, hiking, and rafting. Here are the questions that you're going to have to answer. Which river helped to create this amazing canyon? The Grand Canyon is about how many miles in length? Previously called Great Canyon and Big Canyon, which person was the first to go down into the base of the canyon and gave it the name Grand Canyon? You're also going to look into the Hoover Dam. It was constructed between the years 1931 and 1936. It's 726 feet high and weighs over 600 million pounds. Questions that you're going to have to answer. If the Hoover Dam was built today, how much would it cost to make? What is the name of the lake created by the Hoover Dam? Enough concrete was used to construct the dam to build a 2-lane highway from which 2 cities? Today's task. You will be learning about 2 landmarks in the U.S. You're going to open the Social Studies assignment in Google Classroom for today. Read the directions on the first page and then click on the link for each landmark. Learn all about that landmark. Complete the questions for each different landmark. Remember to restate your question and answer in a complete sentence. Then turn it in. Check back on the next Social Studies lesson for the answers to today's lesson. Have a great day.